Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix voice or sound recorder not working on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Select Microphone. Turn on Microphone Access, also turn on Let Apps Access Your Microphone, turn on Sound Recorder. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is Repair and Reset Sound Recorder app. Fourth method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Check Disable all enhancements. Fifth method is uninstall and reinstall Sound Recorder app. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.